And guys, before we get any further in the video, if you look down below and your subscription button is on red, what are you waiting for? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You don't know, it's a girl underscore. You don't know, it's a girl braids up underscore her morning back with another video. By the looks of it, you know, so I'm not company camera really look not any type of way. Well, lie me I tell, a big lie. Anyway, today we're back with another tutorial. This one is going to be on more myself. As you can see, my hair is parted into 4 sections. Yeah, I ain't got no hair outside either, but that's fine, that's fine. So we're gonna be one song after that. I ain't got no hair outside. I ain't got no hair outside. I ain't got no hair outside. No hair outside. I ain't got no hair outside. So they tell the people. We get Bigfoot. Bigfoot. Let's knock away. Anyway, I'm now home. Done. Oh man. Hot man. Yeah. So today, I'm gonna comb my ear. Put some ear and look for them. That's all. Guys, before we get any further in the video, if you look down below and your subscription button is on red, what are you waiting for? Yes, click that subscription button. Click the notification bell so you won't miss a video once I upload. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. If you want to see more hair tutorials, go ahead, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell everybody to jump over Braids Up and join the family. Boy, a Bigfoot them make my mouth of spring water. To come up. Alright guys, so today we have some ear where we're gonna try out. We have this ear here. This is Expression Ultra Braid Outre. Am I pronouncing it right? I don't even know. But it comes with 3 pre-stretched here. This is how long it is. And what we're going to do today is knotless box braid. Not really box braid because I'm gonna put my head myself, and I don't really use the mirror, but just go with the wish for my hand go. So if chaka, so it go. So we have this in number 30, and then we have another pack, also pre-stretch, but this is a different brand. This is a Sensational. I don't know if you see the name right there. Sensational. And this is just see about half pack of the regular Expression pre-stretch braid that you guys are used to. This is in the number 2. So we're going to use both of these. Them already stretched already, and we're going to work with the same length. We're going to put this one at the back, and then we're going to put this one everywhere else. Also, you don't know, so your girl have to come with our goodies. Can't be here without goodies. So girl, your girl have some bully but so in her bag. We have to do a nice up here because yeah, it's summer. So first your girl got her oil sheen. Bam! You know me love my olive oil products. Yeah, and in a coconut eat, coconut sleep. Then we have our olive oil coconut mousse. We have this one, but we also have this one. This is our new Schwarzkopf. I can't pronounce it. But this one is really for curly hair. It smells lovely, smells awesome. I've used it on 3 clients. Thus 3 clients thus far. Yes, I'm using to catch on my ear, kind of extra. So we have this. It's made with camellia oil and shea butter. So this is what we really want to use today because all things olive oil. So that's that for the mousse. Then we have got to be oh boy, where the edge them are gonna move go? We don't know, cause they ain't gonna move here. I ain't got no head side, but that's fine. You're gonna say, oh, girl, flop an edge. But what I've got to be if you really hold, we look at edge them one time we met them. We have some edge control. Got we look at shampoo, VO5 shampoo. Also, we are going to show you a look at water for your smell real nice and rich, well rich. This is an empty bottle, you know, so all of my things are coconut. And we have our comb, or rat tail comb, to do the parting, to get it all nice. And we have this, we're going to use this. I saw my mother using this, so I'm using it to do my edges. Yes. And what else? We don't have nobody else in the bag where we're going to use today. We're not going to use nobody else. I did blow dry my hair. It's been washed for like over a week now. So what I'm going to do is simply start sectioning the back part of the hair. And you know, as I said, the hair is already stretched, so I'm not going to do that part of the work. And I hope you guys stay tuned to see the finished look. Again, please remember to subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell everybody to jump over and join Braids Up family if you want to see more hair tutorials and more how-to videos and vlogs and cooking videos and all of them some. So guys, right now I'm just gonna pull out the back part of the hair. Yeah, girl, you have a little bit of length, you know, it's a grayish, but anyway, I'm just gonna pull out the back part of the hair. I'm meant to show you how I'll be sectioning off all of this niceness. Yeah, here was steam or something, but that's fine. Alright, so we don't really know if this will work. Let's see. Alright. So my back is turned to you guys. I'm basically using the window to see what's going on behind here. Now I can't really see, because I'll show you guys what I'm gonna start off with. Alright, so this is the hair you're going to part from this side to this side. Alright, so I did make the first part in the back of my head to the nape of the neck. So now we're going to start off using this one. So I'm just going to pull it out the pack. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Alright, so you can get these, any kind of expression braid, at your local beauty supply store. This is not a bad texture. Really and truly a little bit coming at it, but that's why we're going to work with it today. When you twist it, this is the amount that comes into it. No much bigger than my tummy finger. Alright, so this is, we're gonna have long braids today. So we're gonna have one plait this fat. This is how fat we're going to have one plait, I guess. Yes, this fat. After getting your plait like this, you're going to section it into 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so now we have 3. Excuse me if I'm not looking straight at you guys, but I will. And I'm using up here, right here on the chair, to keep my braids. I am working on a hair rack. You're gonna see it on the screen right here. As you see on the screen right here, this is the rack I'm going to get. I'm having it made from one of our furniture man at our local furniture supply shop. You wanna part this into 3. As I said, it's not going to be as straight. Now for this, we're going to get rid of this out of the way. Two and three, alright? So there are 3 sections. Alright? We're going to start off by braiding your hair. We'll start off. This is good too. Say it again, Sonny. Say it again. Say it again, Sonny. Sonny, say it again. Say it again.
Michaela said to me.
It's not going to look good. It's not going to sound. Okay, people. So, the ear now going to do. So, we have to allocate scarce resources. So, now we're on this part, number 30. I wonder if you take a fit me. Yes, so reach right here, so so reach with this now.
Now give me a cup. I want a piece of cup.
Yes, I want that. Still snacking away. Oh, time to reach it. I was suddenly gone. I myself, me out, son. You see?
I must see him.
Tell me see you now. I look under me.
Come, Kayla, come.
You ain't imagine it. What I tell you. I'm not treat like them. Alright, give it up one. Here the.
Can't get it, should that. That should that.
Okay. Then if we have do cooking one and that in there. This really serious man.